Surprise your sweetheart with these chocolate-covered strawberry hearts. Flavor FunFun. Common ingredients, easy to follow instructions, and kids will love it. Step 1. Pinch the leaves off the strawberries. Next, using a butter knife, cut the stem out in a V shape. Step 2. Empty the bag of white chocolate chips into a microwave-safe bowl. Add Crisco to the chocolate, then melt it on 50% power for 1 minute. Remove the bowl from the microwave and stir the chocolate well. Then heat it again on 50% power for 30 more seconds. The chocolate will still be warm enough to melt the small bits of chocolate chips, so stir it until all the chocolate has melted. Step 3. Now, dip a cake pop stick into the melted chocolate, then insert it into the pointy end of the strawberry. Step 4. Dip the strawberry into the melted chocolate and slowly swirl it around to coat it. You can also use a tablespoon to push the chocolate onto the strawberry. Lift the stick and gently tap it against the side of the bowl to get rid of the excess chocolate. While the chocolate is still wet, place a candy heart in the center, then shake the sprinkles over the chocolate. Set the pop stick side down into a cup and let it dry. And that's it! Easy, right? For the full recipe, go to flavorfunfun.com. And remember, I want you to be proud to serve these, so if you need help, let me know by leaving your question in the comment section.